So OnePlus 11, yeah, this mobile is on heat right now. I mean, like, this mobile is very trending right now. So let's start with this mobile's features. First of all, let's start with the display size. This mobile comes with a 6.7 inches of fluid AMOLED LTPO3 generation display, and it is a 120Hz refresh rate display with Dolby Vision support. And it also comes with the Corning Gorilla Glass Victus protection, and it is also a 120Hz refresh rate supported display. And when we talk about the processor, yeah, this is the main thing that a lot of people are going to buy this mobile. Very affordable, best performance mobile based on the processor, that is Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2. Yes, man, it's a 4nm based octa-core 5G processor. Now when we talk about the 5G, yeah, OnePlus does give only 2 or 1 band in the OnePlus 10 series, but this time it's giving almost 18 to 19 bands of 5G. Yes, that's true. And when we talk about the cameras, yeah, this is also a major huge improvement from the older generation mobile. That is, it comes with the triple cameras. Yeah, no excitement there, but those are 50 megapixels of main wide angle camera with optical image stabilization, and also a 48 megapixels of ultra wide angle camera. Yes, and also a 32 megapixels of telescopic zoom camera. And we can shoot 8K 24 FPS with this mobile's back camera, but there is no huge improvement in the front camera, that is selfie camera. It comes with just regular 16 megapixels of wide angle selfie camera. And when we talk about the battery, yeah, this is also a huge thing in this mobile. That is, this mobile comes with a 5000 milliamp of battery, and it is about 100 watts of fast charge through wire. Unfortunately, we will not get a wireless charge with this mobile. And this mobile also comes with the IP64 water and dust resistant feature. And when we talk about the other features of this mobile, those are, this mobile comes with in different memory variants. Those are 8GB RAM, 128GB internal storage, and 8GB RAM, 256GB, and 12GB RAM, 256GB internal storage variants. There are also higher variants. Those are 8GB 512GB and 12GB 512GB and 12GB 1TB RAM variant storage variants also. I think those are not available, the high-end variants. These are the UFS 3.4.0 storage capacity with the LPDDR5X RAM type, so you can expect a killer gaming and performance with this mobile. And when we talk about the this mobile's features, yeah, this mobile comes with the security features like ultrasound in-display fingerprint scanner Gen 2 and face unlock ID also. When we talk about the operating system, yeah, this mobile runs on Android version 13 out of the box with the Oxygen OS 13. Yes, now a lot of users are saying that in social media platforms that this mobile is this Oxygen OS 13 version is really nice compared to the 12. And when we talk about this mobile features, like, this mobile comes with the connectivity like Wi-Fi 6, and also comes with the Wi-Fi 7 latest version, and Bluetooth 5.0, which is the top of the line features. And when we talk about this mobile's build quality, this is a complete glass and metal build. Front back glass, frame is metal. When we talk about the box contents, yeah, this mobile comes with a mobile itself and TPU case and a charger, 100-watt charger in the box. Yes, and a Type-C charging cable, and SIM ejector, and some guidelines and quick start guides and something like that. So this is all about the mobile. When we talk about the other features like multimedia, this mobile does comes with the stereo speakers but no 3.5mm jack. Yeah, that is the thing we have to keep in mind. And yeah, a lot of mobiles also does not getting a 3.5mm jack these days. So these are the features of this mobile. When we talk about the colors, this mobile will be available in a lot of colors. I didn't remember the colors. I leave the colors in the description box. You can directly check it out from there. And I'll also leave a link to buy this mobile in the description box down below. By the way, this mobile comes with a price range of 57,000 rupees. So I think at that price range, you can go with this mobile. This is a best killer performance mobile. And if you want to buy this mobile, go and watch some big tech YouTubers reviews about this mobile. And if you want to buy this mobile, come to the description box of this video and click the link and buy the mobile. So that's it for the video. And if you like this video, hit the like button and also the subscribe button. By the way, I'm promising you that from tomorrow, the regular videos, I will upload the regular videos. So that's it for the video. If you like the video, hit the like button and also the subscribe button.